So we are going to implement a jump statement. Okay. In this jump statement, we know very well we have four kind of jump statement: break, continue, go to, and return. Okay. Return we are using normally with all type of programs. Like here we have a return type for main body integer. So we will take here the return statement directly. This return statement will return the value to the operating system. This return statement will return the value to the operating system. It is also a jump statement. It is giving your value to other part. Understand? So now, what is our problem? We have here three different income groups, three different community, three different categories. So we are taking here two inputs. So for two inputs we need two variables. Okay. The first variable is string type, string status. This is the first variable. Second variable integer type. This is family member. This is the second variable. Now we will take our input from the user. Okay. So see out first is enter status. Status of the family. So I took it here, status of the family, and here I am taking C in second is we are just taking the value for family member. Okay. Enter number of the family members. So we have taken here two inputs. One is status, second is number of family members. For this we are checking. So for checking we need a decision making statement. Decision making statement. What are the decision making statements? If. So here we will apply if. Inside if we will check first the status. Sorry. We will check the status is exactly equal to BPL, or this is for the maximum input what the user can think. Okay, like user can think about to write BPL is a short form. Maybe user will write status exactly equal to below poverty line in small letters. Maybe user will enter like status B capital, P capital, L capital. Means user can enter in any ways. So we are just thinking about how user will write a particular type of data value. Maybe user will write all capitals. User can write in any ways. User can write in any ways the status BPL, below poverty line in this way, or all letters capital. In any way user can enter. And the second condition what we are taking? We are taking AND. This is AND. Family member. Family member what? Greater than, equal to 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. It's completely your choice. Okay, you can take any number of family members. So you can see here we have written the code like that. Now the user will enter the status. So first we need to show the status to the user. From which list the user will enter the status? So we will write here cout choose the status of a family from the list. Number 1. So we have given here the list, okay, and here it is showing the status and it is showing the family member. From this list user can check which value should have to be input as a status, okay. After that, inside this condition, in this condition you can check here the status is BPL. So we will write here status is BPL, below poverty line, first letter capital for each word below poverty line, and all letters capital below poverty line, okay. So in any ways the user can enter the value and your system will match, okay. After that, inside this if condition you will write a source code what are the amenities you want to provide it. Okay, like see out, you will write here provide basic amenities. Basic amenities means basic resources. Okay, basic amenities to the family like food and education. Provide the basic amenities to the family, food and education. To whom? Which has this condition? Family member less than equal to 4, status below poverty line. If the family having this status, so they are allowed to give the basic amenities. Okay, and put here break. Yeah, so you can see here we are having a red line. Yeah, why? Because without loop we cannot put break. Without loop we cannot apply break. Yeah. Here other condition for else part, for higher income group and average income group. So we are just taking else, and after that we will write here see out no need of any type of resources from government and non-government organizations, NGOs. Then continue. So now we apply two different jump statements. One is continue, one is break. Now what I'll do, just I'll make a loop here. Okay, so I'll do here the do loop. Inside the do loop I'll put all and I'll check here family member less than equal to 4. We will check here the family member less than equal to 4. I applied here do while loop. When I apply do while, you will see here the error is finished. Here the error is finished. Now for your understanding, I am taking one more statement outside the loop. I am taking one statement outside the loop. So see out this is for your understanding. We are out of loop. Okay, but inside the main function body So you will understand we are out of the loop. Whenever the program control comes here, you will understand we are out of the loop but inside the main function body. So see this program here. First we have given the idea to the user. We have three type of group: high income group, average income group, and below poverty line. After that we apply a do loop, do while. Yeah, in do while loop we enter the status of the family, then the family members, number of family members, then we check the condition here, BPL, and the family member is greater than equal to 4. If we have this condition fulfilled, true, then we put here provide basic amenities to the family like food and education. Then our program control comes to the break statement. When it comes to the break statement, it will directly come out of the loop. So this statement will print after this, will come out of the loop if we will apply here break. Okay, else part. In else part you will check if the family status is higher income group or average income group, our else part will execute. No need of any type of resources from the government and NGOs to HIG or AIG people. After that it finds continue. If it finds continue, it will go back to the initial of the loop. Understand? It will go back to the initial position of the loop. It will not come out of the loop. So now we try to execute one time and then you will write the source code. I am just executing one time. Okay, this is the whole program. In this program we have just status of the family. After that we enter the value for the status, we enter the value for family members, we check this condition. Inside the condition we have given a break statement and continue statement. After that we check here the loop condition, the family is less than equal to 4. So you can see, choose a status of the family from the list. What is the list here? Higher income group, average income group, below poverty line. From this list, like I am taking BPL, it will ask enter the number of family members. So number of family members, if I'll give 5, think about it. If I'll give 5, what will happen? Provide basic amenities to the family like food and education. We are out of the loop but inside the main body. Because what is the condition we have given? We have given greater than equal to 4. If I will give here less than equal to 4, just check. If I will give less than equal to 4, what will happen? Now again it is asking for BPL, then the 5. So you see, if the family member is less than equal to 4, no need, means your family member is 5, so greater than 4. You are not completing the condition, so that's why no need to provide any resources from government or NGOs. We are out of the loop inside the main body. Now I am taking all the conditions to be true. If I am taking all the conditions to be true, first condition is below poverty line, second condition is family member less than equal to 4, like I am taking 3. So provide the basic amenities to the family like food and education. we are out of the loop. These three options only for below poverty line I have shown you. Now for higher income group or average income group, it is using a break statement, that's why it is coming out of loop, because we have a break statement inside the if body, that's why it is coming out of the loop. Now I am using for higher income group, you will see I am using HIG, higher income group. Now enter the family member, it doesn't matter, enter any member. No need of any type of resources from the government or NGOs. Then we are out of the loop but inside the main body. So you access the higher income group. Yeah. So now we'll check the program. Have you seen? Enter the status higher income group. Enter the number of family member 4. It completes the loop condition. It organizes the no need of any type of resources, but it is asking again the status of family. What is the meaning about? The meaning is your do while loop executes. Continue statement works here. Continue statement directly goes up. It didn't print the out of loop statement. Continue statement skip the statements after the continue. We know this condition. If we find the continue statement, if we will find the continue statement, it will not execute the statement after continue. It will directly up. Okay, if you write any statement here, like you will write see out we are inside the loop, we are inside the loop. Okay, if you are writing here we are inside the loop, this statement when will execute? Think with your mind. This statement will execute only when you have the both conditions not to be executing. If both conditions will not execute, only then your program control comes here. Otherwise, whenever it finds break, it will go out of the loop. Whenever it finds continue, it will go top of the loop, initial point of the loop. Okay, so I am taking this part also inside the loop body. I am taking this part also inside the loop body. See the situation. I want to use the continue statement now. For continue statement, we have a condition higher income group or average income group. After that, the family member should be less than equal to 4. So I am taking like 4. So you see, no need of any type of resources from government and NGOs. Choose the status from the family list. Okay, again it is executing again. Why? Because we are having a reflection of the continue. Whenever you have continue, your program control never comes here. In both the cases, whatever it finds break, whatever it finds continue, your program control always transfer control to out of the loop or initial of the loop. Continue will initial of the loop, break will out of the loop.